Are you angry?
No. Don't be angry.
You look it.
We are going to our boat.
Going to the boat.
To rip some stuff out and things.
Things and stuff.
Big crowbar. And take our diesel heater to bring home so that we can be warm in our cabin.
Because diesel is cheaper than electricity right now.
Somehow cheaper than electricity right now, and that's too
Yeah.
expensive for us to heat our home.
So we're gonna take the heater that came in the boat.
Bring it home to use it until we need it back in the boat again.
Yes. And we're gonna walk across this land. This misty winter morning. Here she is. Rhea. That's not the name though, is it?
No, it's like
It's not, it's Rhea.
oh, I thought its original name was Ignito.
Initio.
Initio, that's it.
This is Initio
/Rhea.
/Rhea, renamed in the 90s. The 72-foot Dutch barge. A work in progress for sure. There's Meghan. It's a big old boat. Look at that loser. Look at that loser over there. And our deflated lifeboat. It's a bit slippy on the boat when it's icy. Oh look, we've got a ladder. Alright, this time, now push it open. Huzzah! Second time lucky. The dirty hatch to get into the inside of this boat. Isn't it hilarious? Oh, can you see the steamy misty on the water? Beautiful. There she goes. Down the hatch into oblivion. Well, here's Meg.
Hi.
Cleaning the kitchen. No, she's sanitising her hands. As we're slowly but surely getting all of the shit out of this place. The next task is to take this sofa bed, which she managed to break apart, and we have to get it through the hole. This big hole, this tiny hole. So what's our best method?
Smash.
Smash and bash. We're gonna smash and bash it. What are you eating? Huel.
Huel mac and cheese.
Huel mac and cheese. Alright. Fuck yeah. So, we're gonna have to try and smash these into pieces so we can get them out. Which sounds like fun. Just how do we do that? There's a hammer. I have a hammer. Let me try this. Done. Yeah, do you wanna? Do you want me to?
So gassy. Is that on filming?
Yes, it is.
Oh no!
That's going in the edit.
No!
Yeah, and you whinging about it too.
No! I'm a lady.
Look, if my hair's in it, you're fucking...
My farts could be in it.
Yeah.
I am what I am. Definitely. Side. I like that. He's just plastic. Ah! How do you do it?
Go straight, push hard.
I'm hitting the springs now.
Well, hold on. Well, we thought we could take that wall down, but it's hiding a metal wall inside of it.
So we'll need a plasma.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to cut it out, like the same as the back wall there, which we're gonna have to cut out as well. We just didn't know. We just didn't know.
There's no way of knowing.
There's no way of knowing. That's okay.
Especially when they put all of their crappy bits of wood everywhere.
Yeah, there's a lot of crappy wood everywhere, so... Bon appetit.
I'm finished.
Up these stairs. I will not. Oh, we crowd out.
Here she is as we walk down towards the end. We popped out around halfway. This is our floating dinghy. Probably seen better days, but I reckon I can pump it up. Oh, look at Doggo. And then down this end of the boat, this is just full of shit. Look at all this shit, man. A couple of pictures. Mattresses. Cassette toilet. Flumps, foam. Not even worth looking at. We come back down, look. Shitty plastic windows, those have seen better days. Probably were see-through at one point, but now they ain't. The roof's covered in this, like tarpaulin stuff. Safety boat. Does have some solar panels. These guys, they're like something, some wattage. Probably been on there for a while. They've definitely seen better days.
This is the metal roof. This is all the original iron shell of the boat, I think. That'll all be coming off and flattening. We have our giant wheel, which is a legit ship wheel. Look at this. It's like a pirate ship wheel. Bouncy floor. Interesting. Yeah, pretty nice, huh? I'll show you from the outside. There go the rowers. Look. So this is Rhea. This is our 72-foot Dutch barge. And here I go walking all the way down. Got a lot of trash to get rid of. And the repaint. She doesn't half stick out the water at the front, blimey. It's a big old boat. There she is contemplating.
I am contemplating whether we need this.
Contemplating the mess that we've created. There's shit everywhere. It really is everywhere. We're tearing things to pieces, working out what we've got, working out what to work with. The roof's come off so we could see what the boards are like. Parts of the floor have come off to see what we're working with under there. It's full of bricks, isn't it, Meg?
It is indeed.
It's full of bricks. So today we'll be tackling the bathroom and that wall that separates myself from Meghan right now. It should be good fun. Last time we tried to take this bathroom to pieces, I got covered in poo on my face, my neck, my hands, my arms. Poo and pooey piss water.
It wasn't ours.
And it wasn't ours. It must have been in there for hundreds of years. Who knows how long it was in there?
Oh, I've had a bit of cholera in there.
Definitely. So we'll be taking this bedroom to pieces, getting rid of their furniture. There's a bed and 2 mattresses in here. And hopefully somebody's coming to collect everything from us in one of those vans, which would be nice. The joys. Look at this monstrosity. Look at this shit. Look at it all. It's disgusting. This is a sofa that we smashed to pieces. This is bedding that was left all around, mattresses, there's pieces of a bed, a sofa bed, chairs, bags and bags of wasted clothing and duvets. Got to get rid of all of that sheet. More shit, more wood. This is more wood that we've taken. Hopefully someone comes and burns it. More furniture. There's Gregan doing some rope stuff. What's he doing there? Boat life.
Doesn't suit me, does it?
Yeah, it does when you're dressed like that. What are we going to do with this now, Megs?
I'm going to put it all back on the fucking boat.
Got to put it all back on the boat.
We were going to get a rubbish removal person here today. They all bailed and then one offered us their services for £350.
£350, and I thought, nah, I'll just do it myself for £350. Doesn't that look like a man hanging himself over there? He's floating, obviously. So, back on the boat it goes. Beds are out. So, our next task is to take down this wall as Meg consistently drops screws. So this is some kind of cupboard system that they come up with.
I don't know what it is.
Nice plywood cupboard system held together by crocodile clips. And then beyond into the depths of the plumbing system. Some kind of plumbing system in here which we've got to look out for. It's going to be fun to get involved with. Here's the boiler. Funny little violent
With very angry
violent hair. So this is the next challenge. Let's get to it, Gregan.
I'm not the guy that you invite into your home. I'm not the kind that you want answering the phone when you call. Don't waste your time, 'cause I won't find you when you're lost. 'Cause I know, yes I know how it goes. You saw the difference, but you did nothing to save me.
There's a mouse trap. There's a mouse trap. How are you getting a mouse on a boat? Ridiculous.
You'll see the death of me before you let me go. Surprised to find me with somebody else. A lack of attention can be detrimental to one's mental health. I gave up searching, thought I'd finally found myself. But I guess I know, yes I know how it goes. You saw the difference, but you did nothing to save me. A moment of madness saw my head start going crazy. Now alone, I left my friends behind and everything I know. You'll see the death of me before you let me go.
Vlog style, look at this. I flipped the lens around and everything. I can see what I look like. Probably look like dog shit. The wall is out, as you can see behind us. One of the first walls, really, that we've managed to take down. The bathroom's gone. Used to be there. That's Meg having a sit down. It was intense. It was intense. There was lots of different levels to that shit. It was half good, half bad. Half of it was done well, half of it was not. A freaking metal bathtub we've had to take up. That was good. The floor looks pretty rotten. That's fine, we'll clean that up. Hold on. Thanks very much. Bit dusty in here now. But look at this. Look at all this reclaimed wood. We have to sort all this shit out. There's so much good plywood, timber that I can reuse. These flipping walls at the back here, we thought we could take that one down and take the one at that side down too. But they're made of metal. Look how angry Meghan is about that. Oh my gosh, she looks like a gremlin. You look like something from Left 4 Dead. This is the shit. Look at all of this mess. Look at everything that we have to tidy up.
That's not including the shit we ripped out.
Like, we've still got lots of stuff up to tidy in here, and all that wall there to go. Got to take all this out. Then that whole wall's gonna go. All this kitchen has to go. Reuse what we can. Take that wall out as well. And really start to open up the 70 odd foot that we have. Oh yeah, look at this. That's stupid, man. These hairbands really help to keep you. This is a safety hairband. They sell them at Screwfix. It's for keeping your hair out of your eyes when you're working heavy machinery, because otherwise, as everybody knows, your hair does go in your eyes, and then often what happens is your fingers come off. So you can get this is the one I'm using from Screwfix. We got to tidy the fucking rubbish on the top back onto the boat. So let's go do that. Scrub the deck, Meg, scrub the deck.
I wonder how long these leaves have been here for.
Well, since autumn.
Are they from a different part of the country?
Probably from the trees above us. One of the perks of living on a boat, I guess. There's always leaves nearby. Got a little display out the front of all of the stuff we're giving away. So by the time you see this, it'll be gone, but if you want any of these things, too bad. It's too late for you. Look, there's pictures, couple chairs, nice filing cabinet. Look at this. Yeah, easy good stuff. Mirror that is full of sky at the moment. There's a rusty chair, rusty bar stool, a little chest of drawers, then a two-piece bathroom cabinet, also full of sky right now. There's a bucket of goodies, that's whatever you can find. The inside of a sofa bed, if you wanted to turn anything into a sofa bed. There's a pile of scrap wood, good for burning this time of year. A boat slave, she comes with the boat. Not selling the boat yet, but when I do, she'll go with it. Look at her go. What a work of art. Yeah, there's cat poos I found on the roof and stuff. Yeah, I just flicked them into the water. They're all crispy by then. There she goes, hoofing them onto the side or into the water by the looks of things. That's for the CRT to deal with, I guess. Is it?
Oh, it's natural selection, isn't it?
Natural selection?
Oh, it's the natural process.
The leaves in the water?
If my boat wasn't here, the leaves would have fallen into the water.
I like your thinking.
So I'm just returning them to nature,
That is true.
as they should be.
They should be there, that's where they belong.
Their intended destiny.
Yeah. Isn't she good?